Welcome to another adventure. This is us riding home after the weekend, and it looks like it's a little rainy and cold. Forgot to put the rain gear on before the rain, and looks like we hit a little snow. Alright, welcome to another adventure. On our way to Peachtree, Arizona. See some cool stuff. It's part of Route 66. This year is 250-year anniversary of the U.S. And I believe there's an anniversary of the road, Route 66. I'm going to check out a few things up there. Might head up to Laughlin, do a little relax. If you're ever in the area, this might be one you want to check out. Alright folks, welcome to another video. Guess where we're at? Route 66. Welcome to Radiator Springs. It's known as Seligman, Arizona. Going to be making a couple quick stops along the way. See what we can get into. So far, this is a bit of a cold ride from Heatstroke Valley, also known as Phoenix. But we're going to check out some historical spots and might end up in Laughlin, do a little gambling. Alright, let's go check out some spots. Quick fact. Seligman, Arizona was founded in the late 1800s as a Santa Fe railroad stop and originally known as Prescott Junction. Later involved into the railroad hub as a crucial Route 66 town. It was renamed after Jesse Seligman in 1886. Currently, it is often referred to as the birthplace of historic Route 66, also known as Radiator Springs. Known for its nostalgic atmosphere, vintage cars, murals, and landmarks of the Rusty Bolt.
Alright, adventurers. We are what appears to be one of the loneliest shredded roads in all of Arizona. But you get hit with some pretty strong crosswinds. We just got hit by one, and we're definitely leaning into it. We're on our way to Peach Springs, Arizona. They have called the Grand Canyon Caverns. They got a restaurant in there. So we're gonna go see if we can get in there for some food and check that place out. See you when we get there. If you decide to come up here and try to eat in the restaurant that's in the caverns, you do need to do the tour and book 24 hours in advance. Don't be like us and forget to do that. Cool little stop though. They got a little convenience store. They do have another restaurant about a mile from the hotel here. And some cool dinosaurs off over there in the distance that you can see. All right, here we are. We're in Laughlin. We're staying at the Aquarius. Kind of just picked the straw from my hat, so to speak. Just decided to go find some place to eat, buffet. Gonna go check out Riverside Buffet at, I think that's a hotel down over here. I mean, take a look at that. That's pretty rad. A lot cheaper than going down to Las Vegas right now. SHOT Show's going on, so they must be packed down there. We both have eaten nothing today, so we're gonna try out get our food on. I don't know what to say now. Mini Vegas. Hey, you see bikers in the wild walking down the street to go get some food. On your left, you'll see the Wild RV parking lots. Where you buy your dream of house on wheels for the price of any other house.
All right, Laughlin was fun. This is the next day. We're heading over to Kingman here. And we can quick stop at Thunder Road Motorcycle Accessories and Leather Emporium. This is a stamp spot for My Map AZ, supporting military veterans.
All right, folks, here we are. We're in Kingman, Arizona. I'm part of the Route 66. We're here at the Thunder Road shop. Sell leathers, part of Route 66 souvenirs. Doing part of this AZ map. Support our veterans. If you're in Arizona, it'll get you places. 69 spots to check in at. Should be fun. Shot like that. How's it going? Those might be nice to wear in this weather.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? Pretty good. Of course. Ooh, a blue one. I'll get one of these to try out. Only $10. I don't think they got much cheaper. We're good. Oh, of course I had to see this. Hard.
Go and tap right there. Are you local here from here?
Well, yeah, we're from the Heat Stroke Valley, Phoenix area.
Keystone Valley.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Well, when you come in here, be sure anything you purchase, you pull that out. We'll see.
This is why I like this place.
right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. We'll see you on the next adventure.